I'm Stephanie Gosk. All high schoolers and most middle schoolers may be eligible for the Pfizer vaccine possibly as soon as next week, according to a senior administration official.
The FDA and the FDA alone will make that decision. But today, I want American parents to know that if that announcement comes, we are ready to move immediately.
Helping the country get to herd immunity and keep kids in the classroom.
It makes the contact tracing and quarantining efforts that we have to do when there is a case a lot more simple, because those who are vaccinated aren't going to have to leave the classroom.
Pfizer's trial in adolescent children showed the vaccine was 100% effective in stopping symptomatic infection. Side effects were similar to young adults.
If I could be in the trial, maybe other people my age could start getting the vaccine.
14-year-old Ty Dropic volunteered for the study.
The greatest scientists of our time have worked on this vaccine. I believe that they did everything possible to make it effective and safe.
But a recent study showed that more than 25% of parents aren't ready to vaccinate their children. Some worry about possible long-term side effects.
When we see vaccine side effects, they either happen immediately or in the few weeks after vaccine, not months or years later.
While COVID poses low risk to children, they still can transmit the disease. Vaccinating them, experts say, is also about community safety.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.